In this example, we're told a compact disk has a radius of 6 centimeters. If the disk rotates about its central axis at an angular speed of 5 revolutions per second, what is the linear speed of a point on the rim of the disk? All right, so we are looking all the way out to the radius, and so 6 centimeters, 0.06 meters. And then we also know it's rotating around at 5 revs per second. All right, so linear speed, V equals omega R. The only thing, we want to make sure we're in our SI units. So omega, they do tell us it's the 5 revs per second. But let's go ahead and change that to radians. So in 1 revolution, there's 2 pi radians. So omega is going to be 10 pi radians per second. And then to get the linear speed, we're going to multiply our 10 pi by the radius, the size of the circle we're actually on, which is our 0.06 meters. All right, so multiplying this out, 0.6 pi meters per second, or we can even multiply in the pi, and it's about 1.9 meters per second. All right, that's the first part. We'll go ahead and look at the second part too. What is the total distance traveled by a point on the rim of the disk in 40 minutes? So here's the fun part. We were initially given the information with the angular variables. We knew the angular speed. And in part A, we found the tangential speed. So we could use either one, rotational motion or linear motion, to find the displacement. And then depending on, if we use the angular displacement, then we could convert it to the linear displacement, or we can just automatically use the linear information. So I think that's what I'll do here. We know velocity is displacement over time, but we're on a circle that's all traveling the same direction, so we can really think it is our distance here. So S, the distance we're looking for, is the velocity times the time. The velocity we found from part A, 1.9 meters per second. But again, something to be careful of, they did give us the time in minutes. So we do want to convert minutes to seconds. So in 40 minutes, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 40 times 60 is 2,400 seconds. And that's the time we need to use so that we get an answer in meters, so that time cancels out. So 1.9 times 2,400 seconds, and we get 4,560 meters.